Quick video on how I repaired the plastic on my razor. This right here, this whole chunk that this screw goes into, obviously blew out. Now, it's as solid as a rock. I'll show you how I did it. So this is a piece of plastic that the fender used to screw into. Obviously, the whole thing chunked out. What you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket. You're going to cut 2 equal-sized squares that are bigger than the hole that's in the side of your razor now. You're going to take a fender clip, slide it over both pieces, drill a hole through it, put this behind the hole. Then you're going to take your fender, screw it into here, and that way it will pull these two tight. Problem solved.